Hey there, I'm here today to talk about something that can really boost your content game and wallet: writing product reviews. Now hold on, I know what you might be thinking, product reviews? Really? But let me tell you, in 2024, this is not just about giving a thumbs up or down, it's about crafting a story that connects, informs, and yes, pays. So let's dive into how you can master the art of product reviews. First things first, know the product inside out. I mean, really get into the nitty-gritty of it. Use it, test it, love it or hate it, but understand it completely. This depth of knowledge will shine through in your review and build trust with your audience. Next, consider your audience. Who are they? What do they care about? Whether it's the latest tech gadget or a new skincare line, make sure your review speaks directly to their interests and needs. Addressing your audience's pain points not only adds value, but also makes your review much more relatable. Now let's talk about the structure. A good product review isn't a ramble, it's structured. Start with an introduction that hooks your listener. Move on to discuss the features, but more importantly, tell your audience how these features can enhance their life or solve a problem. And always include real-world usage examples. People love stories more than specifications. Don't forget to be honest. Transparency is key in building a loyal following. If there's something you don't like, say it. Your authenticity will pay off in the long run with a more engaged and trusting audience. Lastly, let's touch on monetization because, let's face it, that's a big part of why we do this, right? Once you've built a reputation for solid reviews, monetization opportunities like affiliate links, sponsored posts, or even partnerships can open up. Just remember, keep that trust you've built with your audience as your top priority. So there you go. Armed with these tips, you're well on your way to creating product reviews that aren't just helpful, but potentially profitable. Remember, it's about being thorough, honest, and thoughtful. Now go out there, get reviewing, and make it your own. Happy creating!